and welcome back to my channel. And for those of you who don't know, I got monetized last week. So yeah, I'm actually really excited because it's been just less than a year, and I've actually stopped YouTube for about 3 months because I had exams, and now I'm back on YouTube, and I'm just ecstatic that I've met the requirements and that I'm on the YouTube partnership program. And on today's video, you're gonna know everything you need to know about how to get monetized on YouTube. So follow me, guys, because I promise you it's gonna be so worth it. So make sure you're not skipping my ads and make sure you're watching my videos throughout. So let's get started, guys. So guys, as you recently know, that I've been monetized on YouTube, and it's been 5 days since I've been monetized. So I've been on YouTube since January, and then I had a 3-month break because of my exams, so I haven't been able to post during that time. But I did post afterwards, and I became a bit more serious with my posting, and finally we got monetized. So I'm going to teach you guys how to get monetized on YouTube and everything you need to know about the monetization process. I'm going to walk you through these couple of steps that will help you get monetized, and I'm going to put the steps just here so you guys can skip to whichever bit you want if you're not interested. So there's going to be a few things that I'm going to be talking about. So first of all, I'm going to talk about the requirements that YouTube expects you and your channel. So once you hit the requirements, I'm going to tell you how you can proceed from there. And third of all, I'll be telling you how to place your ads on YouTube once YouTube has accepted you as a partner. And last of all, I'm going to teach you guys tips and tricks on how to get your YouTube channel monetized and how to get views, how to get subscribers, how to gain engagement. So if you guys are interested, keep watching, and if you do like my video, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to my channel so you'll be up to date with all my new videos. So, and if you guys haven't checked out my previous videos, make sure you go check it out. And yep, so let's get started. So I'm not sure if most of you guys know what the YouTube requirement is to get monetized on YouTube. So I'll explain it to you. So YouTube expects a certain standard in your videos and your channel. So one of the main things that you need to know is that you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So once you hit this requirement, you can then proceed to get your channel monetized. So how this works is you can get 1,000 subscribers. That's no problem at all. So even if it takes 2 years and you just reach 1,000 subscribers, that's no problem at all. But the issue is the 4,000 watch hours. So what you need to have in mind is the 4,000 watch hours is supposed to be for 1 year. So from the time you started your first video until exactly a year from then, you need to have 4,000 watch hours. And once you pass the limit and you don't have 4,000 watch hours, your watch hours are going to start back again from zero, from that 1 year mark. So you need to start back again from zero. But the only thing is, your YouTube subscribers still stay the same, and it doesn't matter if you had 1,000 subscribers, you're still gonna keep adding them on. So that has really no effect on YouTube. So let's move on to the second bit. So now I'm going to talk about what we should do once we hit the requirements. So once we hit the requirements, as you can see on your channel monetization page, you can see the number of subscribers, and you can also see the watch hours you have. So once you have hit the requirements, then you can press apply now. And once you press apply now, you're going to come to this page, and there are 3 steps. So these are the 3 steps you need to complete in order to get your channel monetized. It has to be done in order. So step 1, step 2, step 3. So step 1 is kind of simple, just a minute or 2, and once you go in there, you see step 1 and it says review partner program terms. To get accepted into YouTube partner program, you need to abide by certain rules and regulations, just like anything. So you need to go and tick the boxes to agree that you are going to comply by their rules. And once that is done, you're going to see this green box right on top that says done. So step number 2, guys, is you sign up for Google AdSense account. So you sign up here, and it takes you to one of the pages where you need to fill in your name, your address. You need your address because once you reach a threshold of $10, they're gonna send you a pin to your house, and you use the pin, put the pin into your AdSense account, and that's how you're gonna get paid. Once you finish the second part with the whole AdSense thing, then you can move on to the third step. So it might take a couple of hours for the second step to be completed because Google AdSense has to go over it and then accept you. So that'll take a couple of hours, and once you're done with that process, then you can move on to step 3. So step 3 is getting reviewed by YouTube. So YouTube goes through your channel and make sure you have no content that should not be on YouTube, and they go through your channel and see if they can approve you. So once they approve you, which also takes a couple of days, so let's say you reached your requirements on Friday. So nobody will be able to review your YouTube channel until Monday. So you have to wait a couple of days. So for me, what happened was it took 24 hours. It just depends on your luck, I guess, because I've heard some people got reviewed in 24 hours, some people took a week, and I even heard that some people actually took a month. So it actually kind of depends. But I hear that in 2020, it's been actually faster. And then once YouTube has reviewed your account, that's when you're monetized. From that point on, you can monetize your videos. And what that means is you can place ads on all your videos. So in the third step, I'll be talking to you about how you place the ads. So once you've finished being accepted into the YouTube partnership program, you have one last step. So what you need to do is you need to monetize your account. So all your videos need to be monetized. So in order to do this, what you need to do is you need to go into your YouTube account. You need to go into your channel studios, and from there pick videos. And once you hit the video button here, you go into each one and you see this button that says monetization. So you click this button and say monetize my videos. Then you can either do it this way, where you click this button and you can place your ads wherever you want them. So if your video is more than 8 or 10 minutes, I'm not too sure yet about this, so you can place ads at the beginning, at the end, or in between. So you can do all three if you want. So another thing I'd like you to keep in mind is there are so many different types of ads that you can add. So there are channel banners, and non-skippable ads, skippable ads, and there's many others. So you can actually pick whichever one you want. So normally I would just pick everything and let YouTube decide what they want to show, when they want to show. You also have an option where you can actually place the ads where exactly you want them to be. It's always better if you let YouTube do it because they know exactly how to place the ads. And in case you place the ads yourself and you do it at the wrong places and you do too many, this might get people to click off your video, which will result in your video not doing well. So that would be a major issue. So I would recommend that you actually let YouTube place the ads for you. So guys, I hope you have an understanding of how to place these ads, and if you have any questions, please leave your comments down below and I'm happy to answer them, whether it's ranging from this video about how I got monetized, anything about med school, just literally anything. Just comment down below and I'll definitely answer your questions. Okay, so last but not least, and I think this one is what most people would be interested in, and this is tips and tricks on how to get your videos monetized and how to get many subscribers, watch time, and how to get many views on your channel. So let's start off with the most important one. Stay within your niche. What does this mean? This actually means, let me give you an example through my channel. My channel is about medical and my experience with my clinicals, how to study, organization. There's different things that are within one niche. So make sure you're not posting videos that are like cooking videos, lifestyle, makeup. You should not do that, because some people who like to watch cooking videos are not going to watch makeup videos, and some people who really like makeup videos are not going to watch cooking videos. So if people actually like cooking and your channel is cooking, then many people are going to subscribe because they want to come back and see what cooking videos you're making next or what other cooking videos you have on your channel. Anyone who watches one beauty video on your channel and sees so many other cooking videos will not subscribe because they want to see videos on makeup. So if they only see one, they're not going to be interested in your channel, even if that one video was amazing. Another thing you need to know is search engine optimization. So that's SEO. So when you are picking your title, so it needs to be a title that many people are actually looking for, because YouTube is the second largest search engine. So make sure you check your videos and make sure you have good titles that will capture the audience. Another important thing I'd like to say is something I actually kind of learned is that make sure the beginning of the video catches your audience, because if you're just mumbling, it doesn't look interesting, people are gonna click off. So the most number of people are clicking off videos are at the beginning. So make sure you captivate your audience, make sure you capture their attention, and try to reel them into watching your complete video. So what you need to know, it's not really about the views, but it's also about the length of time that people actually watch your videos. So if people are watching your videos for an average of 4 minutes in comparison to somebody else's videos that have maybe 2 minutes, YouTube is gonna throw out your video on people's browse features, and you're more likely to get more engagement from other people. Another important thing is your thumbnail. Thumbnail is the first thing that's gonna attract people. Make sure that you pick a thumbnail that people will like, let me go see what all this is about. So people then click on your thumbnail and then watch your video. So thumbnail is also as important as your SEO. Third point I have for how to get people engaged in your videos is on your description box and also on your tags. Make sure you use the same words as your SEO, and make sure you repeat the same words when you're doing a video. Let me give you an example. So this video is going to be about how I got monetized in 2020, or everything you need to know about getting monetized. If I keep repeating myself, so YouTube is going to pick up on that and be like, oh, so this title, this tag, and the person on this video is talking about the exact same thing. So you're more likely to get engagement because YouTube is more likely to throw out your video there. If you ask any YouTuber, they will tell you how important tags are. So last but not least, I'd like to talk about engaging with your viewers. So if people comment on your videos, make sure you engage back with them. That is very important because you're more likely to get engagement through commenting back and replying to your viewers. So guys, that is everything you need to know about how to get monetized in 2020. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below if you have any questions. I am glad to answer these questions for you. So let me know what you guys think of this video, and make sure you subscribe because there's lots more videos coming your way. So peace out guys, I'll see you in the next video.